Hello everyone. So this video is um, about how to make section lines in Autocad. So as you can see this one, this is a section line. So how are we going to do that? So let's have example here. Excuse. So we will add section lines for this rectangle. So just type H or hatch, enter, and then you will be prompted to this window, hatch and gradient. So just select uh, the hatch pattern that you need. So let's have example for this one, ANSI 31. So okay, so current color, use current color, um, depends on your plot style. If what is the plot style that you use, the point 0.1 or 0.09 in the in your plot style. Okay, so scale just one. What else? Yeah, you can copy the details here and then add pick points, and then here at the center or just inside the rectangle, enter. So you'll be prompted again, and then preview. As you can see, enter, and then okay. So that's it. That's how you make your dimensioning. What if when you have the when you dimension it, it is the same as this? So just match prop that one, ma, enter, to this line, click the from, and then the to, enter. Okay, so that's how easy to uh, hatch dimension. So what if you are doing a lot of scales in your drawing? So let's say for example this one here, dire na scale. So let's say for example, let's make another viewport here, or multi-view. Oops. Let's say our scale here is 1:2. No. Let's say 1:1 lang sa. Okay, so this is 1:1. Nahang. Let me just change the settings, okay, so that it will be better seen. Okay, so here it is. So let me copy this one. So scale for this one is 1:1 cm. For this one is, let's say for example, 1:2 lang. So next is Also, this is this is not only for the hatch dayang video or the sectioning. So, it's also for the scaling na lang pod para mausa. So, let's say 2:1 na siya. Is to 1. Okay. So, let me just make this bigger. Okay. So, I will set the... So, in setting... okay. So, okay. Scaling lang gini siya eh. So, sorry. Scaling. Hatching lang gini siya or sectioning. So that I will make another video for the scaling because we still haven't reached the topic scaling ano sa. So okay. So ano lang sa, di lang sana ako i-complicate. So sectioning lang gini. So mag-discuss kog scaling dire, how you scale, but dili pa na ako discuss ang full detail about it. Okay? So this is 1:1 scale. So let's make this one 1:2. Where's that? 1:2. So okay. This one 2:1. Okay. As you have noticed, the section line also changes its dimension or its scale, right? So when I scale it up, it also became the distance of every line also became larger. Okay, so also for this it became smaller. So it will depends on the standards of the company that will be doing, but mostly we will not change the scale for that because yes, because especially when you scale that up or down in a very small scale, these lines will be seen as very little lines, dili na kay siya masabtan. And of course for the big ones wala pod, bati na po siya tanawon. So we must retain the 1:1 scale for the drawing. So how do we do that? So this is how you do it. We will change so select this one. We will change it in the properties. Okay, so type PR, then enter, the properties window will appear. Then change this one. In the pattern, change this annotative no to yes. Okay, so that's it. So it's already an annotative object. So let's go back to the layout. So as you can see, the draw or the how to say this, the hatch or the section for these two scales here disappeared. So what we will do for that, let me just erase this. Okay, with the reason, let me just set this one again to 1:1. Naghangid siya, kinahanglan na gid ako papahawayan. Okay, so nakita na pud siya balik. This one. Okay, kita siya balik. Yay. Hangid. So naka-annotate naman to siya, di ba? So what we will do is just naghang na gid. just on this one at the status bar. Show annotate objects for current scale only. And then this one, automatically add scales to annotate objects when the annotation scale changes. So let me check it again. So if I'll change this one, oh, oh sorry, I must on this one. On ba? Let me try to off. So 1:2. Yes, it's dili, pwede ra dili ra on. So kato ganiha wala pa lang to siya, pwede ra to na to i-regenerate actually. And then this one, 1 2:1, right? 2:1. Yes, 2:1. Okay. So as you can see, the distance of every lines in the section line did not change. So unlike this part here, wala siya nausob siya rather, because we did not make the section lines or the hatch annotative. So that's what we need to do in our section lines or the hatch in order for it to be visible in every drawings, even though it is not they are not the same in scales. Okay, so that's how you, or that's how we are going to uh, section or apply section lines or hatch in AutoCAD. Okay, so if you have comments and suggestions or whatever things you need to say, you can drop your comments and say it or ask it in our face-to-face class or in our group chat in Messenger. Okay, so that would be all. Thanks.